coming to you.
We've got it.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, Performance Tracked Daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Wednesday, December 13th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In headline news today, the U.S. Federal Reserve on Tuesday held benchmark interest rates steady at 5.25% for a fourth straight meeting, while renewing a warning that risks from inflation will remain. The widely expected decision by the central bank's Federal Open Market Committee keeps the overnight federal funds rate target at the level it hit in June after 17 straight quarters. The Fed said it continues to focus on inflation risks, holding out the prospect that interest rates may need to move higher in coming months, even as it took note of the substantial cooling in the U.S. housing market. Financial markets did not react sharply to the Fed's statement, which was largely as expected. U.S. stocks pared losses, prices for U.S. government bonds rose slightly, and the value of the dollar slipped. Best Buy Company Incorporated reported lower than expected quarterly profit on Tuesday as the consumer electronics retailer cut prices on flat panel TVs to boost sales at the start of the holiday shopping season, sending its shares down 5%. The results also dragged down other electronic retailers' stocks as investors fretted that the competitive environment would hurt profits during the fourth quarter, which includes the bulk of the holiday shopping season. Shares of Circuit City Stores Incorporated also fell 5%, while Tweeter Home Entertainment Group Incorporated tumbled almost 12%. Best Buy reported net income of $150 million, or 31 cents per share, for the fiscal third quarter ended November 25th, compared with $138 million, or 28 cents per share, a year earlier. Now, in small cap news today, High Power Fuel Incorporated announced today that the company has equipped a Volkswagen GTI with its H2 reactor hydrogen system that can produce sufficient hydrogen on board on demand to power the vehicle using only water. The H2 reactor uses the process of electrolysis to convert water into a hydrogen-oxygen gas, which is then used to power its original internal combustion engine. Currently, the H2 reactor requires 1 watt-hour to produce 1 liter of hydrogen. This is approximately 2 to 2.5 times more efficient than the current performance of competing technologies. Previously at 9 cents, H2 closed up 150% at 22 cents with over 8 million shares traded. Franchise Capital Corporation announced today that it has reached an agreement with Aero Exhaust Incorporated, a leader in performance exhaust airflow technology, under which Franchise Capital Corporation would acquire all of Aero's exhaust issued and outstanding shares. Franchise Capital Corporation, a business development company, provides long-term debt and equity investment capital to support the expansion of companies in the casual fast food restaurant industry. It invests in private and small to middle market companies that lack access to public capital. Previously at 0.2 cents, FCC closed up 81% at 0.4 with over 13 million shares traded. And that's it for today's newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter, available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.